how do you understand it to me?
You're asking about
Greater Tipra land.
Greater Tipra land.
So will it be like the GTA, the way that is in Darjeeling? Or
No,
it's
very different. It's very different. I know that I'm here in Oxford. My demand for Greater Tipra land, and I'm saying this in Oxford, is not outside the Constitution of India. I'm saying that the indigenous people of Tripura, who've gone through a lot of pain, because we took in a lot of people from different countries during the partition, during the riots which happened there. Our population, which at one point was close to 90%, today is down to 30%. So we want constitutionally the government of India to pay heed on two aspects. One, that please recognize our role in the rehabilitation of the displaced people from Bangladesh. We gave our land, we gave our resources, and today they have settled peacefully in India. We are not asking them to be sent back to Bangladesh. Second point is that the autonomous district councils, which was actually the vision of Maharaja Bir Bikram, because he went to America in 1939, he saw the Native American reservations. He came back and he had a vision. He thought that this could happen to the tribal people in Tripura, the indigenous people, the native people. So he created a land reservation, which is the basis of the district council in Tripura, where nobody else but these tribes is completely based on the Native American, because he'd gone to America in 1939. So nobody else can purchase land or sell land. So that is what protects us today from influx. So today, in order to save our language, which is distinctively Tibeto-Burmese, our food, our culture, our way of life, our existence, we need the government of India to do something to protect us. And our demand for Greater Tipra land is under the Article 2, 3 and 4 of the Indian Constitution. And we have raised this demand saying, please carve out a separate territory within India to protect the indigenous people. The government of India has done it in the state of Leh and Ladakh, where they have just recently made it a union territory. They have done it with Chhattisgarh in early 2000s. They did it with Jharkhand. And when you're talking about Gorkhaland is a territorial administration. We don't want that. We want more than that. And the government of India has enough provision in the parliament to pass this. But the government of India has to invite us to talk. We may be having a point of view. They should also have a point of view to discuss. But if they keep on saying that we'll give you money, or we'll give you a post, or we will give you some contracts, that is not the way ahead. We want something to solve the problem of the 14 lakh Tripuris and not 3 or 4 political leaders. That is the idea of